Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, the new Mythical Epic just came out to hackers, so we are going to be looking at it. So yeah, let's get into the video. So this epic looks really cool, and as we go over, we are going to be able to see what it looks like. It's a griffin, and it kind of has like an owl face. And there it is. It looks really cool in my opinion, except the arm is kind of off in my opinion, and the walking animation, which I've just actually seen for the first time, it looks a bit odd. But I do like how it looks overall. It's pretty cool. So we are going to be doing a battle with it, but first let's look at its description. So here is the icon, and here it is. This mythical epic loves to be the center of attention and will spend a great deal of time grooming itself to be as beautiful as possible. So yeah, I really like how this looks. So let's go ahead and look at the heart to damage ratio, and then we will get into a battle. Alright, so its stats are right here. It's power to 5, or 5 to 5. I wish it was 9 to 1 with 9 power, 1 heart, because then it would be pretty powerful, and it is an ice element, which was going to be pretty obvious. So I do think this will come out on Tuesday, but now we are going to find the pumpkin and do a battle. And yeah, so I think it's going to come out on Tuesday because normally, most of the time Prodigy will release it on Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, maybe Thursday. One of the middle ones. They normally do not do it on, they definitely never do it on the weekends, and I don't think they ever do it on Monday or Friday. Alright, so there is the pumpkin, and now let's get into the battle. So it did actually take a second to get in. I'm not sure why, but... Okay, so here it is. Let's use Snowing Ball. And its eyes do look really cool, in my opinion. So now let's see the attack animation. It's decent. It's pretty good. It definitely could have, like, more stuff going on in it, though. Alright, so we got another one correct. So it has, like, glowing eyes and stuff. And it has, like, little jewels. It has crystals on it for wings. I kind of feel like it's weird how it's floating, though. I wish it was walking. Okay, and there we go. There we beat it, and yeah. So I do like this epic a lot. There are a few complaints, like how it moves. I feel like it's just really... It's not smooth very much. It's just like, feels like it's being pulled on. I'll show you again, and just in case you missed. So yeah, to me it feels like it's kind of being dragged along on a collar. But that's just me. So that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.